Hey, I'm Steve Kruger, FlexPack Growth Manager for Nosco. This is Kyle Vafiatis, Solutions Engineer for FlexPack here at Nosco. And today, Kyle's going to answer some of your questions. Kyle, as a dad of 3, I didn't realize how much flexible packaging we were going to have in my house. For example, thanks, Nick.
You're welcome.
The first one is the applesauce pouches. My kids go through these like water. In comparison, we've got the breakfast pastry, which again, we go through so fast. Now, when I look at these materials, I see that there's differences, but I don't know that I fully understand the differences between like the adhesives or the laminations. Can you talk to me a little bit about that?
Sure. Applesauce pouch you're holding is processed in what's called a hot fill process, where the product goes into the pouch at a high temperature, it's then sealed off, and it's allowed to pasteurize in there as the product is cooling down. This keeps it safe for the consumer, safe for your kids, make sure that there's no microbes or bacteria in there that could cause any negative health defects. This pouch has a lot less demand on it from a fill standpoint. It's filled at a room temperature, it's not hot, it doesn't require it to essentially pasteurize in the pouch. This sort of pouch really lends itself to a solventless lamination process. It's a lot less demanding in the marketplace. The fill type isn't hot. There's just a lot less that goes into the necessity of getting this to the consumer than there is that pouch. So this, because of that, it lends itself to solventless for that reason.
So I understand the difference between now our solvent adhesive versus our solventless adhesive. So we're really only talking about those two types of technologies.
Actually, Steve, there's one more type of technology that's out there that's somewhat common. It's called a thermal laminating adhesive, where you have a heat-activated polymer on one web that you use to stick to another web. That really lends itself to short lead times and short runs for customers.
So Kyle, now we've got 3 main types of adhesives that we're talking about. How do I pick?
Well, really, it's just going to come down to what your application's needs are. I mean, if you have a very high demanding application like an applesauce, it's going to lend itself to one sort of technology. If you've got a less demanding application, it's going to lend itself to another. So really, if you come to us and you have a project, we can help you work out how to make that choice.
I hope this brings some clarity to the different types of laminating technologies that are available. And for your next project, if you're looking for some support in choosing the right solution for your application, please reach out to our team for a scheduled call.